This is Ground Media UG. Codebase Entertainment.
Please sing, don't stop. Genda ugambe bazadde bo oli muyimbi. Oyiga okuba engoma eno keyboard, oyiga okuba giteno, oyiga okuba buli kintu, beera musician, music. You are too good. Your voice, you don't need to be a performer, no. You are beautiful, you have a beautiful smile, you have a beautiful eyes, you have a beautiful everything. You just need to sing and people appreciate. God bless you, and the Almighty see you through. I will always be there to support you. Congratulations.
I will think of you every step of the
Relax the body, please. Kambabuze ko before I start speaking. Hi guys, welcome to the jam session every Tuesday at the Uganda National Musicians Federation. Every time I come to this stage, there's always an artist I'm always listening out for. This woman she's a child. I think, how old are you? 15. She's 15, guys. I did my first show. Like, my friends just threw me under the bus. And that's the song I sang. And she has sung it better than I sang it. Guys, please show some love to Faith. Praise, praise, praise. All of it is good. Yeah. So I'd ask Praise to do one more. Who is in charge of the stage today, guys? Am I allowed to do something with her? Okay. Wow, you're amazing. You're blessed by God. I cover you with the precious blood of Jesus. Can we do something together? You're like my child. You're like a baby right now. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up, still I lay my head. I have. Thank you guys. Give it up for Faith, everybody. You guys, we have talent in Uganda. Jabu, Jabu, Jabu,